Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara. And I am Yumen. We are the co-sisters for today's vlog. Samahan niyo kami mag-celebrate ng birthday. Cause today is our Korean's uncle birthday. At a surprise naman siya, guys. We are preparing balloons and cakes. Apa call us to have a dinner outside. At fast forward, nandito na kami sa restaurant. At tinanggal namin ang cake sa box. At ako pala nagdala ng cake, si Yumi sa balloons at si Tita Joy sa surprise gift. Dahil linon ni Yumi yung light sa car, need kami bumalik para mag-off yung lights. Baka masira yung battery, guys. Papunta na kami sa loob para i-surprise si Samchon. He didn't know we have a plan. First time pala niya mag-celebrate ng birthday dito sa Philippines kasi sobrang busy siya. And only his Taurus dito pala. Hi mga Inday, naglaag sa mga gwapo jud ka ayo mo day. Gwapa jud basta mga Bisaya Ming. Pagpasok namin, we saw our uncle smiling na. And we sing happy birthday to him. And also, our Uncle MJ is here kasi bukas yung birthday niya. At sabi ni Apa, we sing again para kay Samchon MJ. O diba, double celebrant yan. Happy birthday po sa inyo, more birthdays to come. At dahil gutom na kami, they start to order na guys. And also, we say sebok money pa deseo para makapera kami. O diba ang saya busog na may pera pa. Siyempre ako yung mauna yan, te. Ang galing ko kaya kumanta. O Ming, pangalawa lang sa akin kaming. We are singing again para magkain na kami ng cake. At mahiwa na daw siya. Our Korean auntie is here. She's the owner of this restaurant. Masarap po dito guys. Please like, follow, and share po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye!